IRCC now accepting Pearson Test of English for Canadian immigration. As of January 30th, 2024, the Pearson Test of English core test will now be accepted for all immigration pathways, except for the student direct stream. This means that provincial nominee program candidates in express entry managed programs, and those needing a language test for any other Canadian immigration purposes, including applying for Canadian citizenship, can now take the PTE core. What is the PTE core? The PTE core is a computer-based language test with specific emphasis on proving general English ability for Canadian immigration. The test assesses everyday English skills in speaking, writing, reading, and listening within a time limit of 2 hours. Testing centers can be found around the world, with over 400 locations globally. According to Pearson's website, the test is scored by both humans and AI to reduce the risk of bias. Test results can typically be obtained within 2 days. The PTE core is divided into 3 parts: speaking and writing 50 minutes, reading 30 minutes, and listening 30 minutes.